So I'll show you how I added mesh screen so that I can open these when I'm camping without bugs coming in. So I'll show you what I've done here. This is the pop out here. I just used some of this type of flexible dark colored mosquito screen, and I taped around the edge on the glass and then folded the screen over and pulled it over the trim and then taped down the inside of the trim as well. So when the window is open, the screen is pulled tight, and when the window is closed, it just folds up nicely inside there. You can still latch the window and everything. And you don't notice it from the outside and doesn't really get in the way in the inside. I can still put the insulation pads up here at night to black them out and for insulation. Now, the tape that I used is this 10-foot Gorilla waterproof patch and seal tape. It's the Gorilla version of Flex Seal. I couldn't find it in 1/4-inch widths, so I've just been using a utility knife to cut it into 1/4-inch strips to stick here. And then the reason I use this is it has a really high tack. It's also weatherproof, use indoor and outdoor permanent bond. So it has a very strong bond, and it just presses over the screen, and the tack of the tape goes through the screen onto the plastic below. So it's you don't have to try to use double-sided tape. It's very easy to just press it right on there. I'll show you, I'm doing the last window right now. I'll show you how I do it. So I'm on the last window. This is my passenger side front door window. I've got a piece of, this is about 4 inches wide of screen, and then I've got my 1/4-inch piece of Flex Seal tape that I'm just lining down on the window. And then what I'll do is fold it back like this, and I'll put the 1/4-inch piece on the window side, and then I use my razor blade and just trim the screen on the inside of the window so that it's flush with the edge of the tape. Here's what it looks like from the outside. So you really can't tell that there's screen in here because it's behind and recessed back from the glass. So if you're a pesky little mosquito trying to get in here, you're gonna get stopped. And there's no sneaky way past, even, you know, with the push out, whatever you call those things in there, those little push out things, because the screen is on the outside of them.